Hello everybody, wishing you all a very happy Teachers Day. I have created this beautiful sari look which is very much easy. At the same time, I have used all the products which are very much affordable in the range. In case you want to know how I got this beautiful look, then please keep on watching this video till the end, and if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Moisturizer and sunscreen is on. Now it's time for me to apply the primer. For the primer, I'm going to be using the Nivea Men Sensitive Aftershave Balm. Do not panic guys, yes it does work like a primer because it has a lot of glycerin in it, which makes it kind of sticky onto the skin, and it hold on the base and set it for all day long. Applying it all over my face in circular motions and let it sit onto the skin for about 2 minutes or so, and then you can shift to the foundation. For the foundation, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Soft Beige. I have to say that this foundation wears out so beautifully, dotting it all over my face. This foundation is totally apt for the days when you are about to take a lot of pictures, and as this foundation is tested under several lighting conditions, so here I'm using my Damn Beauty blender. This is by the brand Ybp Cosmetics. Very light-handedly going to push the product into the skin and take your time with blending and blending and blending, because it is really important when you're doing your base. And then after that, I'm going to be using my concealer to conceal the dark under eye area. For that, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. I'm going to be making an inverted V under my eyes, and also going to be repeating the same step onto the other eye as well. Then going to be taking the concealer onto the forehead, nose, chin and cupid's bow, and majorly going to focus onto my mouth area because it tend to get very darker in the pictures. I don't know for what reason. And then I'm going to be blending everything again seamlessly, pushing the beauty blender into the skin. Make sure whenever you do your concealer under the eyes, you have to make sure that the pressure is very lightest, and then blend again everything very lightly as possible. And then I'm going to be focusing to blend everything in again. For contouring and highlighting, I'm going to be using this product. This is the Wet n Wild MegaGlo Contouring Palette Contour in the shade Caramel Toffee. I'm in love with this product, I have to say that. So here from one end, I'm going to make sure there is no creases whatsoever, and from the other end where the product is, I'm going to bake it under my eyes. Same process I'm going to repeat on the other eye as well. This is how I like to do it. My nose tend to get really oily, and it's summertime. I like to always keep a lot of product onto my nose, that means a powder, and I'm going to set my whole face and also my eyes for the further application. And I'm going to just tap the powder, the excess powder onto the face, and then it's the time for me to take the contouring shade just for the contour. Take the powder on the beauty blender and start dabbing that onto the face and contour. Make a fish face to know your contour lines. In case for the nose contour, with the edge of the beauty blender, I'm going to draw lines and then blend it through in dabbing motions and clear the edges with the better application with the highlighting shades. For the eyebrow, I'm going to be using the Miss CLAIR eyebrow cake. I'm going to be using these two shades, and here I'm going to be filling the spare gaps, and be patient while you do that. And with the help of the spoolie, I'm going to be taking and eliminating any extra products that is still there left. And now it's a time for me to apply a liner. For that, I'm going to be using the Lakme Insta liner with the thin and bold strokes, and here we are going to wing out a liner. I just love how this liner turned out to be. And for my lashes, I always like to curl my lashes before putting any kind of mascara. Here I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara in blue. This is a waterproof mascara. I am going to be wiggling that onto my eyes, and here, not eyes, the eyelashes. And I like to put a lots of mascara onto my eyelashes, and here I complete my eyelashes. And here I'm using a lipstick as a blush. This is a LAC lipstick, and I'm going to be putting that onto the cheek areas of mine and going to be dabbing the same lipstick onto the lips. I'm going to be changing a lipstick, and that lipstick is by NYKAA. I'm going to make that sure that I keep that in the description. Here I'm using the MAC Plus and Prime to just prep up my skin for the extra hydration and also lock it down. Almost ready. The lipstick that I've used is the NYKAA Mini Matte Lipstick in the shade Chai. For the highlighter, I am going to be using Master Chrome by Maybelline. This is in the shade 050 Molten Rose Gold. This is a very beautiful shade, looks really amazing in pictures. And I have also took up a little bit of the product with my fingers and popped up in the inner corners of my eye. And this have literally amped up the look way too much, and this is how the look turns out to be. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel because this will really mean a lot to me. For the outfit bit, I have to say all thanks to my mother because she has a lot of beautiful sari in her closet and she really love how this sari looked like on me too. The belt is from Shein. That is a very oversized white belt, and the top that I paired up is from H&M. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Thank you so very much for watching.